Hi everyone, welcome back to Law Communicants. So, you may often hear the terms insolvency and bankruptcy being used interchangeably. Do you know what their meaning are? Are they same or they're different? If they're different, so in what manner? The topic of today's discussion is insolvency and bankruptcy. Basically, what is insolvency? Insolvency represents that particular state in which the individual or organization is not able to settle the debts on time. When they fall due for payments because of lack of funds or bank balance. So, if this is the meaning of insolvency, then what is bankruptcy? Bankruptcy can be defined as a formal and legal declaration of an individual's inability to settle the debts. Basically, insolvency represents that a person is out of money or out of funds or out of assets. Now he is not able to pay the debts. But bankruptcy is a legal declaration that that particular individual or corporation is not able to get back to their prior position. So what we get from this, that insolvency is a temporary stage. It can be reverted back to a normal stage. But once a person or an organization falls in the umbrella of bankruptcy, then there is no go back. Then the another way is the liquidation, or what we can say before liquidation, the corporate insolvency resolution process. So in a crux, we can conclude that a person or organization who is bankrupt is conclusively insolvent, but all the insolvent persons are not bankrupt. Thank you so much